Hi, I'm Catherine.
And I'm Jeff.
And we are excited to have the opportunity to share these amazing GE branded sealants with you and show you how easy it is to use them.
Many people are unaware how simple and easy it is to apply our GE branded sealants. Today we're going to show you step by step the process of caulking your kitchen fixtures, bathroom, tub, sink, and accent wall, and your interior door window and baseboard trim.
Now, just as a heads up, the terms caulk and sealant are often used interchangeably. Products that provide a seal against elements such as air and water are sealants, and caulks are products that are generally used to fill gaps and for decorative projects. In this video, we will be using the following GE branded products: Silicone 2 Plus Kitchen and Bath Sealant, Silicone 1 Tub and Tile Sealant, Quick Dry Siliconized Acrylic, Supreme Stretched Siliconized Acrylic, and Paintable Silicone Sealants. Selecting the right caulk or sealant for your project is critical to achieving results that last.
Since the kitchen is an area that gets exposed to water frequently, I would recommend our GE Silicone 2 Plus Kitchen and Bath. It's a 100% silicone sealant that provides a 10-year product protection against stain-causing mold and mildew. It's also permanently flexible, shrink-proof, and crack-proof, so it'll last a long time under a variety of conditions. This product is 100% waterproof, but it's not paintable.
Before we begin our project, we'll need the following: sealant, caulk gun, mineral spirits, soap and water, painter's knife, caulk smoothing tool, and gloves. If you have a cartridge, you will need a good quality caulk gun. However, if you are using a Silicone 2 Plus squeeze tube or a point and seal sealant, no gun is needed. Since we're using silicone, we need to make sure we have mineral spirits on hand for cleanup.
Now to get started, make sure you remove any old sealant in your work area. Typically it needs to be cut, scraped, or chipped away. Use a utility knife or painter's multi-tool to do so. Then thoroughly clean the area with water and wipe away any excess water and moisture.
Here's a helpful tip. Wiping the joint with rubbing alcohol after cleaning helps ensure no soapy residue or moisture is left behind. Using the spout cutter that is built into your caulk gun, cut the nozzle of the tube at an angle to the desired bead size. The higher up you cut, the bigger the bead. Start off by cutting it small, and if it's too small, go ahead and cut it a little bigger. Then use the seal punch to pierce the inner seal located inside the tube. Note, only silicone products require you to pierce the seal.
Now before starting on your surface, we recommend testing your bead on a piece of cardboard to make sure it's the right size. Hold the gun at an angle, then squeeze with an even and consistent pressure to control the rate at which the sealant leaves the tube.
Then, within 2 to 5 minutes of finishing, use your gloved finger or tool to smooth the sealant into the joint.
Make sure that before the sealant cures, you wipe away all excess sealant on the surface of your work area with a dampened and disposable washcloth. This is when you'll need that mineral spirits to wipe away excess sealant. And don't forget to wipe your tools clean. It gets hard to remove once it cures.
For your bathroom, we recommend GE branded Supreme Paintable Silicone or All Project Sealants. They're perfect for the backsplash or accent wall in your bathroom, since it's an area that frequently gets wet, but is also a place that may require you to paint the walls.
One of the most common projects is sealing your tub or shower. Here we recommend Silicone 1 Tub and Tile. It resists mold and is permanently waterproof.
And it's backed by a lifetime guarantee. And if you need to paint an area that you don't expect to get moisture, make sure you use Quick Dry or Supreme Stretch. These siliconized acrylics are paint-friendly and easy to use, with excellent adhesion.
These products clean up easily with water, so mineral spirits aren't needed. Now, we really hope you enjoyed learning how to properly apply sealant to your kitchen, bathroom, doors, windows, and baseboards.
See you next time, and remember, GE branded sealants are the confident choice for your project needs.